Good morning, 705ers. It is week 6 of your fall seminar class, and a brief infomercial from your coach to hopefully help alert you to things coming up and keep you on track with your dissertation work. It was great seeing you last weekend. I miss you, and I know you're in able hands with Dr. Sabin, but miss you just the same. Glad to have some time before and after class and at lunch to talk a little bit about your dissertations in progress. And as you are working through your third semester, keep trying to rush the program. It's 6 semesters. You will finish a year next yeah, after 3 more semesters. So during that time, you want to have, again, a completed chapters 1, 2, 3 proposal for like next year this time. So you're working on chapter 1, and there's some information in Cresswell, chapter 5, about the introduction, about your chapter 1. That's good stuff. Also an assignment this week to try to write a hook. I haven't said a whole lot about the dissertation as a piece, but it is a boring research project. It is not meant to be a novel. It's not a short story. It's not meant to be fun. It is a logical sequential argument that you're laying out with lots of citations. Remember, you are building on, standing on the shoulders of giants, building your thesis that your research is needed to substantiate the research that is done before. If this is action research and you're focusing on your school, good, but it's not in isolation. You have a theory, a frame of a reading instruction or of leadership, and from that, you're building your logical sequential argument concerning your research and where you want to take the research in this small area of educational leadership just a little bit further. I hope that's clear. Anyway, in chapter 1, you are doing lots of citations and talking about theory and talking about the research that has come before. There should be lots of citations, but in the first couple of paragraphs, in the first page of your introduction to chapter 1, you should try to hook people in. You should try, you want them to read your dissertation, so there's got to be some hook that catches people's interest. Well, this little video that Dr. Brown has loaded for us, it's 8 minutes long. It is obviously by someone who's had a lot of experience using teaching writing to students in college, undergrad or grad. Look at it. It's pretty good, and I hope it'll give you some ideas about writing the hook for week 6. So you're to try your hand at writing, it says 3. If you get one really good hook out of this and give each other some feedback about it, that would be a good thing. Anyway, that's your assignment this week. Read Cresswell, look at the video about the hook, and see if you can come up with a good hook, at least one, for your chapter 1. And remember, you're working on chapter 1 for this semester. A chapter 3 outline, if it's a bullet outline at the end, great. But if you can come up with and have a good draft of chapter 1 by the end of the semester, that'll be a great thing. Okay, that's all for this week. Talk to you next week.